Okay, so we've got this function, A equals 800 times e to the minus 0.04t, and that's how much of a substance is left after t days. Okay, so there's 5 parts to this question. The first part is initial value. So initial value is easy, that's just 800 grams when t equals 0, because e to the 0 is 1. The second part of the question is also pretty easy, so how much is left after 7 days? Okay, that's simple, it's just 800 times e to the minus 0.04 times 7, which ends up being 605 grams. Part C looks pretty easy, so how much has decayed after 14 days? Now, the only thing to be careful of this one is not saying how much is left, but how much is decayed. So, A at 14 is 800 times e to the minus 0.4 times 14, which is about 457 grams. So the amount left equals 800 minus that, which equals 343 grams. Okay, so just be careful, because it's not asking you how much is left, it's asking you how much is gone. And find the half-life. So the half-life is when this number comes down to half its initial, when this formula, 800 grams, comes down to half its initial value. So when it comes down to 400. Pretty easy to do, because you can plug this straight into your calculator, and you'll get the answer of t equals about 17 days. So where's our answer there, and answer there. Okay, and so the last part of the question says find the rate of decay when 100 grams of the substance is left. So whenever you've got rate of decay, you're talking about a derivative. So let's differentiate this first. So minus 0.04 times 800 e to the minus 0.04t. Okay, so that's the formula for the derivative. And what we want to know is when 100 grams of substance is left. So we don't know what the t is, but we do know that 100 grams of substance is left. So we know that 100 equals 800 e to the minus 0.04t. Or if you like, let's rearrange that. So e to the minus 0.04t equals 1/8. Okay, so what do we get? dA dt equals, actually let's multiply these out. So 4 8s are 32, and 800, so there's 2. So minus 32, two decimal places, times e to the minus 0.04t, and we know that we can now plug that in there. So it equals minus 32 over 8, which equals minus 4. So the rate of decay is minus 4 grams per day.